Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Gardner again. I am here to go over your week 3 Pre-Columbian Natives Studies Weekly Magazine with you guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you a few things on the website. Let me go back to it, to the beginning. Okay, and as you see on the inside of my magazine, I have several things highlighted here. I want to make sure you guys get a good glimpse of that. All right, so let's start. So for me, I'm in teacher mode, so it's showing all the publications that I have. But we want to go to the ones that you guys have, okay? So now if you notice here at the beginning, it's showing all of the articles that you guys have in your Studies Weekly magazine. And so I just want to show you guys what I do, okay? So if you were to open up the Studies Weekly magazine and go on the inside, the first article on the inside says Pre-Columbian Natives, Woodland Indians, okay? And so if you notice right here on your screen, this is that particular article in your magazine. This is just the electronic copy of what you physically have in your hand, okay? So what I am used to doing is every year I have my students take these magazines and we highlight certain things to help us focus our studying when we are preparing for our test on Friday. Now let me say, all of the information here is important. So you do need to read through it. You do need to kind of be familiar with it. But there are certain things that I have highlighted to help you focus your time studying for your test. And this is going to help you prepare for your test. So what I'm going to do is slowly scroll through each one of the articles that I've highlighted things from. And I want you to take a highlighter and take your time and highlight these particular items in your magazine. Now, because this is recorded, feel free to stop or pause the video at any moment so that you can find the articles there or the information and you can highlight, okay? So I'm just going to scroll through slowly to show you guys what I've highlighted so you know what you need to go back and highlight in your Studies Weekly magazine, okay? So there we are. And again, this particular section is the Pre-Columbian Natives, the Woodland Indians section. Okay. All right, those are the items that I have highlighted in that first section, okay? All right, so let me scroll back. So the section right here that's highlighted in green, that's the section we just did. So find that section in your studies magazine and highlight those things. Moving on to the next article, the most important of all crops, three sisters. So in this particular article, this is what I highlighted right here. So you should do the same thing so that you can focus your studying when you are preparing for your test on Friday. Okay. All right. Trade and technology. There are several, or actually, I think it's 3 sections there. Yep. You will only need to highlight in this section right here, but all of the information there is important. So highlight right here. Okay. I don't think that there was anything in this particular section that I highlighted. So we will move to where it says wild turkey. And this is the information that I highlighted there. And I believe that that was the last section that I highlighted in our Studies Weekly magazine. Now, guys, that's a lot of information and you need to be very familiar with it. So I have helped you out by helping you to focus in on what you need to study and really pay attention to for your test on Friday. Okay. Now, just some information to give you right here. If I were to click on this, this is going to give me a video and give me more information about this topic here. And if you notice, if you click on any of these items there, they all have a watch video component to it. Feel free to take the time to do that because it will give you more insight and more understanding as to the things that they have titled there. Also, at the end of each article, there are questions there to kind of make you think. There are questions there to check you to see if you're really paying attention and reading and understanding what you're reading. And they let you earn points as a game, as part of the things that you have there. I've already gone through before and done a video on misspelled. And you know that this is a vocabulary word game based off of the words that are in this week's Studies Weekly. Okay. So there are several games and activities for you guys to do here. Feel free to go through them, pay attention to them so that you can understand and be ready and well prepared for your test on Friday. This is just a little short mini lesson on that information, guys. I hope you have a super fantastic day, and I know you guys will do well on your test Friday. Have a good day.